How to monetize your Facebook page yourself when invited for content monetization. All right, now the truth is I have seen a lot of content creators paying coaches to monetize their Facebook pages for them when they can actually do it themselves. That is why in this video I am going to teach you step-by-step guide on how you can monetize your Facebook page yourself. You just have to take your time and watch this video to the very end so that you will not make mistake in any of the things, because filling these payouts can be tricky. If you make mistake, it's usually very difficult to correct, and that is why many coaches normally charge money for this. So that is why I took my time to explain this video in detail, the way you can actually do what, understand, so that you wouldn't make mistake, because I know if you make mistake, it's usually very difficult to correct. So you just have to take time, all right, and watch this video so that you know the right one to choose. Many of you do choose the wrong one. If this is not something that you will rush at all, that is why I took my time to make this video in a detailed manner, in a detailed form, a practical step-by-step. It's actually a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's a practical step on how you can do what, filling your payout setup. Do you understand? So that you will not do what, you will not make mistakes. Facebook monetization usually starts from 1,000 followers. So if you have up to 1,000 followers on your page, this video is for you. You will be invited for content monetization as soon as possible. If you don't have up to 1,000 followers, you equally need this video so that when they send you Facebook monetization invite, sure, you will know what to do, so that you won't start running helter-skelter or looking for who to pay money for them to do it for you, when you can actually do it yourself. Now, without wasting time, let me tell you some of the documents that you will need for this monetization so that you will get them ready or before filling your payout setup. Now, the number one document that you will need for Facebook content monetization is a domiciliary account, which is called dollar account. Now, how and where can you get this dollar account? Walk into any bank of your choice and tell them to open a dollar account for you. Okay, then the number two document that you need is a Swift code. Now, this Swift code, where will you get it? You will get this Swift code in that same bank where you opened your domiciliary account. Kindly tell them in the bank to give you a Swift code. Okay, they will give you their Swift code. Moving forward, the third document that you will need is what? Your TIN. Now, where will you get this TIN? Okay, you can get it from Federal Inland Revenue Service, that is FIRS. That is where you can get it. You can even get this one yourself using your smartphone. All right, you can get it using your smartphone, or better still, you go to Federal Inland Revenue Service to do what? To get it. Then the fourth document you need is a postcode. That is, Google it online. All right, take your Google and Google your postal code. It will come out for you. All right, then you can pick your postal code yourself. Now, mind you, this very one I talked about now depends on your state. Postal code depends on where you are. So if you're in Delta State, you can now say postal code for Delta State. If you're in Lagos State, so you are going to get this postal code according to the where you are, according to your state. Do you understand? All right, now moving forward, the other thing that you need is just your email address and your phone number. That is all the document that you will need for this. Let's get into the practical step, how to fill this payout setup. Now, without wasting time, let's get into the tutorial. Now, let's go. Now, Facebook has three types of content monetization. That is, Facebook has a star monetization, it has subscription monetization, and it has content monetization. So when you open your dashboard, you are going to know the type of monetization that you have been given. Okay, now another thing you have to ensure is that you have to check your profile, your page status, to ensure that your page has no violation. You can see this one now said no monetization violation. All right, so before you start filling your payout setup, so ensure that there is no violation on your page before you proceed. All right, so you can see from this dashboard that this is a content monetization. All right, so what you have to do now is to click on get started. Now, when you click on get started, it will bring you to this interface. Okay, where you click on review terms. Okay, you click on review terms. Now you click on agree to terms. Click on agree to terms. Then you click on set up accounts. When you click on set up accounts, then allow it to load. When you load, it will bring you to the first interface, which is this place now, where you'll be asked to input your name, that is your full name, your last name, your date of birth, and your country. Now we are starting with the country. All right, click on country and select your country, which is Nigeria. If you are Nigerian, you put Nigeria. Now in this place, you have to be very, very careful while choosing this country, because if you choose wrong country here, you can't go back. When you click on next, you won't come back to correct it. That is one thing about this. So filling this, you need to be very, very careful. Now after inputting it, you are going to put your name. After choosing country, click on your name, your first name, last name, and date of birth. Click on next. When you click on next, it will load and bring you to this interface. Here in this interface, you have to fill in. This place is very, very important. Okay, you will choose your business type. Always choose individual, please always choose what? Individual. This is where many people do make a lot of mistake. Choose individual sole proprietor because is your own. This is not, is an individual. Please choose individual and click on next. All right, now when you click on next, it will load and bring you to the next interface. Okay, in this interface you will have to put like your name, your middle name, and your date of birth. Then you continue with your home address, your city, your postal code, your phone number, your email address, and your TIN. Is in this interface that you have to input all this that I just mentioned. All right, you will see where you put what? Your date of birth, your home address, your city, your state, your postal code, your phone number, your email address, and your TIN. Is in this interface you will put it. You can see from the screen. You understand? You can see from the screen. Okay, now after inputting it, you scroll up, you see one blue icon there, the blue box. Tick it. When you after inputting all these things, scroll up, you see this blue box. Tick it. It will be blue like this. Tick it. All right, and click on next. Do you understand? Click on next. Now it will take you to this interface again, whereby this is your bank account section. You understand? So you click on manually link bank account. Okay, if it's normal bank account or dollar account or a normal bank account you click on manually link bank account. Don't use PayPal. If you're in Nigeria, PayPal don't work in Nigeria, so you choose the first option, which is manually link bank account. That is the one you should choose. All right, now you take that one, then you click on link payout method. Now it will now bring you to this interface whereby you have to put your swift code. You put your swift code, your account details. All right, now after inputting this one, look at your swift code. Make sure you put it to your swift code. After inputting your swift code, then the account number, then you click on link. Okay, it will bring you to this interface again, where you will see add tax info. Click on this add tax info. All right, because we want to confirm your tax info. Now immediately you click on it, now it will now switch. It will take you to your profile. Do you understand? This will switch to log into your profile. Don't worry, what you will just to do is just to click on what? Confirm. Do you understand? If you take you to your profile, you don't need to panic, because so many people always get confused. When you click, you just click on what? Continue. You understand? Click on continue when it logs you to your profile, because that is, then you click on continue as easy, because it wants to ensure that it is you. I mean your details, they are trying to verify if it is you. Okay, they want to verify the name on your profile, so you just have to click on that. Then it will bring you to this interface. You can see individual. Want to verify your account. Now then this place, are you a citizen, a US citizen? Say no. Are you representing somebody? Say no. After filling no in these two places, click on next. Do you understand? Click on next. Okay, it will take you to the next section. When you get to this place, you copy your name. Look at it, your name will be your full name. Just copy it because we need it. There's a place that we're going to paste it, so make sure you ensure you copy it. Now the next one now is to click on this place to select your country, because they are trying to like which country TIN are you using. You got it from Nigeria, so you choose Nigeria there. Okay, click on it and select your country, which is Nigeria. Remember, you got your TIN from Nigeria. That is why you need to do what? Just select Nigeria. So after selecting Nigeria, then you click next. Okay, you will click next. After clicking next, it will now take you to the next interface, whereby you have to confirm all your details here. You understand? Your country, your city, and click on next if everything is correct. Okay, in this place you also want confirm your address. Click on next. I hope you understand. Now look at it, your country here, you have to select Nigeria again. Do you understand? Where did you get this your tax from? Okay, click on next. When it gets to this place, still click on next. I hope you understand. Now you have to scroll up, okay, and paste that your name as your signature. That your name that you copied, paste it here as your signature. Then also click on that box to say I certify as whatever. Yes, you are the one. You paste your name as your signature. Click on next. Do you understand? Now it will load. Then after this, you have to confirm all the things that you have done here. Okay, careful confirm it. Even your signature, which is your full name, that place is your signature. You understand? Confirm everything if it's in order. Now after properly confirming, click on submit form, because they are in order, right? So when you click on submit form, now you have successfully done what? Set up your payout account. Okay, click on done. Now you just have to click on done. Now once you click on done, ensure that it says successful. Okay, ensure that it says successful. Like this place now, it will tell you complete. Just click on the completed, you understand, and click on submit. Now in this place now, you just have to see what successful. Yes, we have successfully done what, fill in your payout setup. This is how it's been done. Okay, then after this interface now, you will see that okay, your account, your page will start earning money. Everything you do on that page will start generating money, just like the way you are seeing here. If the money is already reading safe, like from now henceforth, anything you do here your money starts counting. So this is how to fill your payout setup. Okay, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.